Hey, what's up? My name is Dominique and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you my complete makeup starter kit that's all under $70. This complete makeup starter kit comes with everything you need, starting from a primer, a foundation, concealer, eyebrows, lips, everything in between. And not only are these products super affordable, they're actually iconic and they're gonna slay your makeup every single time. So let's get started on this makeup look and I'm gonna show you everything that you need to create a whole makeup look for $70 and under. So I put all the products in my complete makeup kit in this little bag and it's so cute. It's holding all the products right here. And here's a little preview of them all. I'm telling you, these products right here are iconic, especially for the price. Are you kidding me? So in my complete makeup kit, I've included a product for every single step in my makeup routine. Everything you need right here. And it even fits in this cute little bag. Perfect for travel, I must say. So step number one in my makeup routine is always primer. And today I'm gonna start off with a primer that has never let me down. This is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and this retails for $10. And this is the most expensive product that's in this kit. But I had to include this primer in this kit because what would a complete makeup kit be without this primer? That's how iconic this primer is. So I apply this all over my skin, but I mainly concentrate it on my cheeks. And this primer is insanely sticky. The best way to apply this primer is actually to press it into your skin because that is how sticky it is. It's not easy to rub in. And this primer right here is really gonna just stick to your foundation and make it last all day. And I'm not even kidding. This is actually one of the best long wear primers because the stick that this gives your skin is just insane. And if you've tried the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, this is basically the same thing except it's way stickier. If you know, you know. I know you're so curious to know what foundation I included in this kit. I had to include one of the most affordable foundations on the market. Seriously, this one shocks me with how affordable the pricing is. This is the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus Foundation. And this foundation costs $6. Now most of these products that I'm talking about today kind of have a range of a price point because they're sold at so many different places. So when I was doing some research online, I saw that the cheapest price that you could find this at was $6. Like, are you kidding me? $6 for a whole foundation? That's the exact same size as all the other foundations that you can get. This is a 1 ounce foundation just like every other foundation that's at Sephora. And this is $6 and it's actually incredible. And as you can see, I don't think that this is going to be my shade, honestly. But I've had this foundation specifically for a while and I probably got it when I was more tan, so I'm just gonna go with it. It has this little spatula that's attached to the lid and honestly I love that so much. And just slapping some on my face with the spatula is so easy. You can see we're looking a bit yellow, but I'm going to fix that. Do not worry. This foundation right here is a full coverage matte foundation. It has a beautiful skin-like finish without being too drying, but you can see that she has a very full coverage, which for $6 is absolutely iconic. I just love the way that this foundation looks on my skin, and especially for the price, you cannot go wrong. Okay, so for concealer, I had to include one of my favorite affordable concealers. This concealer right here is actually so amazing, and I would include it in any kit. You know I got it right here. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and this right here is one of the best concealers that you could get at the drugstore. Hands down, I will always forever stand on that hill. And this concealer costs $7. This concealer is seriously so beautiful. e.l.f. makes this formula in two different kinds, hydrating and matte, and the hydrating formula is by far the best formula. So you have to include the hydrating formula in your kit because that's the superior formula. Fight me on it, I don't care. This is a medium to full coverage concealer with a beautiful hydrating finish. It blends into the skin so effortlessly and it does not crease. I love it because with this concealer, my under eye stays hydrated all day long and it does not look dry and crusty because I hate when my concealers get that way throughout the day. It's so gross. But don't worry because this one does not do that. All it does is look flawless throughout the day and I'm here for it. And I'm even going to use it as an eyeshadow primer because it's also amazing for that. And you can see why this concealer is simply amazing, so in the kit it goes. So now it's time in my makeup routine to add some color to my face. So first I'm going to start off with some bronzer. And the bronzer that I chose to add into this kit is actually a liquid bronzer. So trust me, I got you. This is a Sheglam Sun Sculpt Liquid Contour. And I have the shade Warm Honey. This is such an interesting product because it's actually a liquid bronzer. Straight up a liquid. And the applicator is like a little sponge tip. So applying it is actually kind of fun. I'm just going to add some to my cheeks and my forehead. And Anywhere else, I would usually bronze. Every time I apply this to my skin, it always shocks me at how cold the formula is when it hits your skin. It's so weird. And then once it's on the skin, I will always blend it out with a brush. And since this is a liquid formula, it blends out so easily. Oh, and I forgot to mention how much it actually retails for. This right here is $5. So for $5, you're getting an amazing liquid bronzer. It's actually insane. I don't know how they price this stuff so cheap over at Sheglam, because for the formula, they could be charging so much more, yet Sheglam always comes through with the real prices, and that is why we love Sheglam over here. And the good thing about this product is that it does not dry down fast at all, so you definitely have a lot of time to work with it and blend it into your skin. It's never drying and it's never patchy. It's just so easy to work with, which is exactly why I had to include it in my kit. Now I'm gonna add some blush to my cheeks, and the blush that I decided to add into this kit is actually a brand new liquid blush. And let's do some liquid blush ASMR. Comment down below if you'd watch an ASMR makeup tutorial if I made one. So the liquid blush that I included is the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush. Now let me tell you something about this blush. She is insanely pigmented. You only need the tiniest amount. So when you use this, just be careful, because a little bit goes a super long way. I have the shade Coral Crush, and this e.l.f. liquid blush retails for $7. Because not only is this kit about affordable makeup, it's about amazing makeup that's also affordable. So I'm going to make sure to only apply a little bit. So just starting off with a little dot on my cheek, I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to blend it into my skin, going up towards my temples so it helps lift my face. And as you can see, that one tiny dot is basically going to cover my entire cheek. So for $7, you know that this blush is going to last you so long because you only need to use a little bit every time. Oh my god, I love this blush formula. It is so gorgeous and stunning. It has this beautiful glow finish to it, and it just looks so hydrating on the skin. So when you pair it with this beautiful matte foundation, it's just giving skin. Oh, I just love this liquid blush so much. You can see the difference that it makes. It's just so subtle, so beautiful, and I'm obsessed. This actually might be one of my favorite products in this kit, and I'm pretty sure I need every single shade of this liquid blush. That's how much I love this one. So now I'm gonna set my face, and the powder that I included in this kit is one of my all-time favorites. I'm telling you, this kit is kind of like my mini bundle of favorites that's also affordable. So you know all of these products that I'm talking about are so good. Well, in my opinion, of course, because I think all these products are so good, and I think that you'll love them too. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. I have the shade Light in this powder, and it also comes in a light pink too, so if you're interested in that light pink powder, try that one out, but I just use the shade Light, and this powder retails for $8. If you're curious about any of these products I'm talking about in today's video, I've linked them all down in the description box for you just in case you want to go ahead and check any of them out. Now let me tell you something about this powder. This powder is my baby. I am so picky when it comes to my powders, but this one right here is so lightweight, and it has the most subtle glow to the powder. Especially when you dust it on super lightly, that is when it looks the best. To me, I think that this powder is the best one that you could get at the drugstore. I love this powder so much. I'm one of those people that once they find a powder, they stick with it forever. I've been using the Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder forever because that is my favorite powder of all time. But then I tried this powder because I thought it would be a dupe to the Hourglass, and I was not wrong. It's just as beautiful as the Hourglass. It's just like it. And to me, that's what makes me obsessed. I just prefer my powders to be more lightweight and not drying, and that's exactly what this powder is. So as you can see, I'm just using it to set underneath my eyes and anywhere that I typically crease, like my smile lines, nose, and in between my eyebrows. Shout out to this powder. I love you so much. So I did my eyes off camera because I don't have any eye products in this kit, because that's a whole nother story. That's a whole nother video that I can make. If you'd like to see that, just let me know down in the comments. So mainly everything that I have in this kit right here is full of base products. But while I was doing my eyes, I decided to do my eyebrows as well. And I actually did include 2 eyebrow products into this kit because I'm telling you, this is a complete makeup kit that has everything you need for a full face of makeup. And the price of this eyebrow pencil is actually insane. Mind-blowing actually. This is the Sheglam Brows On Demand 2-in-1 Brow Pencil. And I used this brow pencil to do my eyebrows today, and I love this brow pencil so much. much. And actually, I haven't used it in a while, and I was so pleasantly reminded of how amazing this pencil is. So your typical brow pencil comes with one side that has the brow pencil, and then the other side usually has a spoolie. This brow pencil does not come with a spoolie. Instead, it comes with a brow pen. So on one side, you actually have the brow pencil tip, and it's really small, so it's very precise and very nice to fill in your eyebrows with. The formula on the brow pencil side is so insanely creamy as well, and very pigmented. I'm actually shocked at how creamy this formula is. It's so good. And even though the formula is super creamy, the brow pencil did not break once when I was using it, which is actually shocking because I break a lot of my brow pencils when I use them because I press very hard. But this one did not break, and it's so creamy, so it's even like, wow. How does it do that? And then the other side of the brow pencil is actually a brow pen. And every time I do my eyebrows, I've been using the NYX brow pen recently, and I'm obsessed with that one. And this one on the Sheglam pencil is actually so good too. And I love this little duo right here because it has the pencil and the brow pen all in one. So all I have to do is flip it around to add the brow pen strokes in my eyebrow when I'm done filling it in. And that is the best part. Besides the formula, of course. The only thing I will say is I'm so used to my brow pencils having a spoolie on the end, so I did really miss it when I was using it to do my eyebrows. I wanted so badly to flip it around and to just brush out my eyebrows so quickly, so I just had to make sure I had a brow spoolie on hand. And do you want to know what single-handedly is the best part about this product? This brow pencil is $3.99. $3.99 for a double-sided brow pencil. One with a standard brow pencil side and then a brow pen on the other. Are you kidding me? For $3.99? That's insane. Wait. My bad. I actually just double checked the price and it's $2.99. Not $3.99, $2.99. This eyebrow pencil is freaking $2.99. For $2.99, she slayed so hard and then slayed even more. So you know this pencil is going right in this kit because that is a must-have eyebrow pencil to be included in this kit. And then another item that I have in this kit goes along hand in hand with this eyebrow pencil so beautifully is the Sheglam Set Me Up Brow Gel. Now this gel is such a nice basic eyebrow gel that has a light fluffy hold to the brows. It does not add any white flakes into your brows and it does not leave them crusty whatsoever. The one thing I really like about this gel is the brush. The brush on this gel is actually double-sided. One side has really long bristles and then the other side has short bristles. And with the long bristle side, it was picking up all my eyebrow hairs and just fluffing them so beautifully. And this eyebrow gel retails for $4. My complete makeup kit is feeling pretty light because we only have 2 products left and they're both for the lips. Don't you just love how my hair has fallen throughout this video? My hair can never hold a curl no matter what I do. So I just lined my lips with whatever lip liner I had sitting on my desk because I'm extra and I always need to use a lip liner on my lips before I do my lip combo. So now that my lips are lined, I can go ahead and add the lipstick. And the lipstick that I picked out is by Sheglam. What a surprise. And this is the Dynamite Boom Long Lasting Lipstick. I have the shade Rent Free, and honestly I wish that my rent was free, but unfortunately it's not. I've used this lipstick before and honestly I love this formula so much because it's a cream lipstick but it dries down completely matte and it's transfer proof. But when you apply it to the lips, it is so insanely creamy. You would never think that it's gonna dry down super matte, but it does, and it's actually super comfortable when it does dry down. The smell in these is also so nice, kind of like vanilla cupcakes. It smells so good. And it has full coverage pigment, that's for sure. It feels very lightweight on my lips and I just love it. And the best part is that it's long lasting and it's transfer proof. I have my Dr. Pepper right here and I'm gonna do a little drink test. Now let's see if it left a mark on the glass. Mark where? No mark. And of course we have to do the kiss test. And all that's left over is the lip liner. That is so funny because the lip liner is not transfer proof, but the lipstick is. That's hilarious. I love that so much. And you can get this lipstick for $6. And of course my makeup kit would not be complete without a lip gloss. So I have 2 options for you. I have the Sheglam Hot Gloss Plumper and I have the shade That's Juicy, and this is just a clear gloss. And it does have a little bit of a plumping effect, which is super nice. And this gloss retails for $5. And of course, you know I had to throw in the e.l.f. lip oil because you know the chokehold that lip oils have on society right now. So I would say you get to choose what you'd like in this kit. Would you like a plumper or do you want a lip oil? For today's look, I'm actually going to go in with the Lip Plumper by Sheglam. This is a very thin gloss and it's starting to plump my lips right away. Not sticky at all, and it's definitely working. I can feel it starting to plump my lips and I love that. And just wait, we're not done yet because I actually forgot something. How could I forget? We cannot forget the highlight that I picked out for this kit. This is the Makeup Revolution Highlight Highlight Reloaded Highlighter. And this highlighter retails for $7. I have the shade Raise the Bar. I love this highlighter so much because it goes on and just looks so beautiful and has a stunning glow from within. It's not glittery, it's not chunky, and I just love the way that this looks on my cheeks. I mean, look at this gorgeous glow. I can't believe I almost forgot this glow. I always add highlighter in my makeup routine because to me, it really does complete the look. And for $7, she is seriously such a beautiful and stunning highlighter. And you can get this at the drugstore, which makes it super accessible, and I love this highlighter. If you haven't tried it out, I definitely recommend. And this highlighter is officially the last product in the kit. And that's it. Here's today's final makeup look, and the price that this complete makeup kit actually retails to comes out to $68. And in this kit, you have everything you need to slay your makeup look. And the fact that I created this look using all the products in my complete makeup kit is actually iconic because these products were handpicked by me because I love them so much. And I hope you love them as much as I do. And that's all I have for today's video. Let me know down in the comments if you've tried out any of these products before and what you think of them. Do you love them as much as I do, or am I just crazy? I will be back next week with a brand new video. So until then, you can go ahead and binge watch the rest of my videos on my channel so you don't miss me too much. Until then, thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I had so much fun, and I just love how my little makeup kit of favorites came out. It's just so cute. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Oh, and P.S. don't forget to subscribe so that we can become besties. You better hit that subscribe button. You better hit it. I'm watching you.